welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist, makeup lover, book lover, owner of 3 cats, and I actually have some new makeup to try, so let's do a first impressions. So just in case you're unaware, I am doing a video every day leading up to Christmas for a 25 days of Christmas little series, which isn't that little because I'm doing 25 videos and that is a lot. It's enough to make anybody feel a little overwhelmed. This is one of those days that's not catered directly to Christmas, but I got my Christmas decor up, so it kind of counts. So I have some new products to try out from Smashbox, Nabla, Elli J Beauty, so I thought it'd be fun to just sit down and film a first impressions. And it's kind of like a mini haul because I don't use every product that is new. So without further ado, let's just get started. Alright, I have a ton of new makeup, so I'm going to show you what I got, and then I will just jump into the makeup. First off, Smashbox sent me another package. They sent me the Always On Skin Balancing Foundation. I literally almost bought this in my Ulta cart, and then the next day this showed up on my doorstep. So I'm going to be trying the foundation. I'm not going to be using the primer with this just because I'm going to go in with something more hydrating. And then I made an Ulta purchase and I picked up 2 things from Nabla. I've never tried this brand, so I got a new bronzer and I got a new Freckle product. I actually heard Baddie being talking about this Freckle pen and it intrigued me. She turned me on to Freck, so hopefully this one works out well. And then I have a major order from Elli J Beauty that I did. I have some sponges. I have 2 powders. Probably won't use these powders today just because I'm trying to use up my Anastasia one. I have a lip oil, a glow highlighter, 2 lipsticks, the 2nd anniversary palette, and then I picked up another of the holiday lash books because I got this all on Black Friday, and this lash book was only like, I don't know, under 20 bucks, and I absolutely love this. And I got a water activated liner. This is beautiful with these shades. And then part of her holiday launch, she launched single shadows, which these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at those, gorgeous. And then single highlighters along with these Z palettes. These are also gorgeous. So there's like a blue, a green, a gold, and like a pinky one. So excited. So I'm going to pin my hair back, zoom in a bit, and let's just get started. My eye isn't irritated. That is leftover red shadow that just stained my eye. I'm going to start by putting on this lip oil. This is also new from Elli J Beauty. It's in Bloobiez, B-L-O-O-B-I-E-Z. This smells like a candy that I ate all the time as a kid, but I love her lip oils. She's gonna use this to sort of like moisturize my lips while I do the rest of my makeup. Alright, so before I go in with my foundation, because I'm gonna do my foundation first, I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Primerizer. This is the primer moisturizer in 1. I absolutely love this stuff, and I figure why not use Smashbox with Smashbox, why not? So I'm going to let that sink in and do my brows really quick. And I'm just going to use my Elli J Beauty little brow thing to fill in my brows. This has a pencil, a powder in the center, and then a gel on the end. I really do love this eyebrow pencil. I wish that she had a more ginger shade. I don't know if you're supposed to shake this foundation, but never hurts to shake it a little bit. The primerizer has sunk in. This includes a pump. They sent me the shade F10N, which is the shade I was going to pick up anyway, so I love that. I got the right shade for me. When in doubt, I always just get the lightest shade unless it's like a pure white, because typically the lightest, more neutral shade works for me. Right, and I'm just going to try this with a sponge because I prefer sponges for applying liquid foundation. It's just my preferred method. That's a super light shade. I love that. It's blending in okay. I think because it's such a light shade, I need to finesse it a little more. But it's evening out all the redness in my face. Makes me look a little ghostly, but it matches. So I've been working it in my skin for like 2 minutes, and it's looking a lot better. It's not feeling very heavy. I would say with what I put on my face, it's like a almost medium coverage. I have, you know, some spots coming through here, but it really did even out my redness. I'm just gonna pop a little extra in the center, and anything else that isn't covered will just go with concealer. Since I'm not using that new powder and I don't have a new concealer, I'm just going to do those really quick, and then I'll be back to do the new bronzer that I have. Okay, concealer and powder went on pretty nicely. I just went in with my one size concealer and my 2 usual powders, but all the makeup details will be listed down below. Like, I'm really happy to try a new bronzer, but like, I'm super excited to be trying Nabla for the first time. I'm pretty sure I haven't tried them before, like 98% sure. But this is the Sunkissed Effect bronzing powder, and I have it in the shade Ambra, which I believe was the lightest shade, and that looks like a perfect shade for me. And if you know, you know. I love a good brush for my bronzer, so let's just hop into this. Ooh. Ooh. I've been looking for a bronzer to replace my Becca Bally Sand. Wait, did I just find a new favorite bronzer? If this lasts on my skin, game over. I love the shade. Oh my god. I'm so happy I picked this up. This is going to be my new go-to bronzer. Without a doubt. I do have other bronzers that I need to use up, but I really wanted a new one. Like, mwah, love this. For blush, I'm just going to go into my Oden's Eye Sunset Clouds, because I think I'm going to lean more towards like the pinky vibe. I love this blush. It's so pretty. Oden's Eye formula is like really nice. I do have a bone to pick with Oden's Eye, but it's not really their fault. I ordered the new Oden's Eye Christmas palettes, and someone stole them at my apartment. Love that for me. Little blush on the nose. Actually really loving how my skin is looking right now. This isn't sitting heavy on my skin. Everything's blending pretty well on top. I'm happy. So I'm going to move on to highlighter. I am so excited for these. Can you kind of see like the colors that they're supposed to be? Because they look kind of white head on. But from the side you can see. I think I'm going to go in with this shade, which is Fierce AF. It's like a pinky one. Don't know if this is going to be a good brush for this. This is Wet n Wild one. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that, and let's see. Oh, oh yes. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, love. I'm gonna set my face really quick with my Elli J moisturizing setting spray. I think I have just enough to set my face today, and then I'm done with this one, and then I will try out the faux freckles. But I'm so happy with how everything is looking right now, and that hasn't happened in a while. Now for the Nabla freckle marker, I think there's only one shade. You're supposed to shake it, and I know it seems strange, but these are like the mushroom sponges. I think that's what they're called from Elli J Beauty. I think these are new also. I think this might work for dabbing out the freckles. Zoom you in a little bit so you can see how this applies. So this is what the tip looks like. I'm just gonna do, start on my cheek, I'll do a couple of light dots. I'm gonna go in with my finger first. It's not super dark. I'm pretty sure if you let it sit on your face for a little bit, it'll get darker. But so far, I like it. I'll have to compare it to Freck to see which one I like more. That works, but I think your finger works better, so I'm gonna put dots on here. I think this could work for freckles if you don't want to get your finger dirty. And go over with my regular sponge, just kind of soften them. I like this. It's neat, it's cute. I will say though, I can get my freck ones to look a little bit more natural. I'll take it as a learning curve since it's a new freckle product to me. You'll find that with the freck one, that one is like a brush application. This one is kind of just like a hard nub at the end. So the freck one can kind of fray and like splay out a little bit. That one shouldn't, hopefully. I'm just going to touch up my brows, and then we'll try out some of the new eyeshadow. I'm going to quickly prime my eyes with my Anastasia primer. Alright, so this is the Anniversary palette. This is the second one from the brand since the brand is now 2 years old. I kind of want to go really simple because I want to play with a few of these shimmers in here. If I'm being honest, I don't know if I want to use this today. I kind of want to go like super simple since I'm doing like some crazy looks this month. I want to go a little bit simple today. I'll keep with the Elli J Beauty theme though. I'm going to go in with her Resolution palette, and I'm going to just hop into Love here. This is just a matte brown shade. I'm going to use that kind of just all throughout my crease. I think all her palettes are pretty wonderful, and this one is like really special. I just love the tones in here. I just really work that shade all in my crease. I'm going to take a little bit of it and just run it on my bottom lash line. With a Game Beauty brush, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to mix these two shades here together. They are Perseverance and Patience, and I'm just going to put that on the outer V. I want a little bit of depth to the outer edge. I'm going to take just Perseverance, tap off the excess, and just kind of run that on my lower lash line also. Going back in with that original brush, I'm just going to really blend out this corner. The shimmers in this palette are phenomenal, but I'm really excited for these. I don't know what I want to use. I'm always drawn to red, obviously. Kind of would go with what I have going on now. That's stunning. They're all so stunning. They're so pretty. This one I picked up was this light blue here. It's like a bluey green gold. It is gorgeous. I think without any primer down, I'm going to go in with the pink shade here, which is, these didn't come with the names on the back. I peeled off the sticker that was on the packaging and put it on the back. This is Girly Pop. It is so gorgeous. So let's see. So we're going to witness this together. Girly Pop. Gorgeous. I'm going to swipe that on the lid. Oh my god. It's supposed to be pink, right? It's not showing up pink. Oh my god. What? These shades are magical. Okay, so it shifts from like pink to green. And then I'm going to go in with Unbothered. I'm just going to pat that on top. Now this one's showing more pink. Oh yeah, that's more pink. But oh my god. It's like those two together look like a mermaid. That is so pretty. What should I do on the lower lash line now? You know what? Let's go in with the shade. This beautiful, supposedly pink shade. This one is Idyllic. Just going to pick a little bit up. Yeah, this one's going to be not as shifty. Ooh, that is so pretty. Just run that on my lower lash line. It's like a pinky, almost purple. I'm just going to pick up a little bit on a brush and just blend out that edge like that. That is stunning. That is just so pretty. I'm gonna throw in, I'm gonna do pink. Pink in my waterline. I think I'm gonna go in with this pink. This is also from Elli J Beauty, and I wanna say it's called Dolly. I think that'll play off well with what I got going on. I do need something on my inner corner, so I'm gonna go back to the highlights. I'm just gonna use the one that I used on my face. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my pinky and maybe press that in. It's really hard with these nails. Ooh, this looks really pretty on the inner corner. You know what? I'll also take it on my brow bone. Why not? You know what I think this look would do really well with is a little bit of a smoky lash line. This is Sweet Caramel from Shades by Shan. I'm gonna take that and right on the edge, almost dragging it out and going in and really smoking that and dragging it out just a little bit. I think that's what I needed. Oh, I wish my camera would pick this up. I am loving how this looks. I am probably just going to throw on some mascara because I don't feel like messing with lashes today. So I'm going to, before I do that, I'm just going to move on to my lips. So I have two liquid lipsticks. I have Slade and Nude AF, which is super light. I don't know which one I want to use. So this is Nude AF, very, very light, obviously. And this is Slay. So I think I'm going to go in with Slay. I wiped off the oil that I had and I'm going to go in with this shade. It looks absolutely beautiful. I quite like the Elli J Beauty liquid lipsticks. They're very comfortable and they last. Ooh, that is like my lip color, slightly darker. I really like that. Like I said, I'm going to put on some mascara, figure out something with my hair, and I'll be back to wrap up this video, but I feel so cute right now. Alright, so here is the finished look. I am very happy with how I look right now. Since I feel like I look so good right now, I'm going to say that this first impressions was a win. I'm obsessed with everything. This foundation is amazing. Hopefully it lasts long. I will have to try this on for a longer period of time. This bronzer, where have you been all my life? The Freckle pen, I need to play with it a little bit more, but the lipstick, the shadows, the highlighter, everything I tried worked out well for me. And I am just so happy. Because not gonna lie, I had a bit of a struggle the last couple days doing my makeup. Today was greatly, greatly needed. So I am happy that I look as good as I do, in my opinion. I forgot to mention it when I was doing my makeup, but I do have an affiliate code with Elli J Beauty if you're interested in checking out the products there. You can use artistryxashh to save some money. I really do enjoy the brand. And Nikki, the owner, is such a wonderful, sweet human. Like, I love her and she deserves all the success in the world. But yeah, I think that's it. If you've tried any of these products, let me know down below. So if you want to keep up with me, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you like books, I am devouring bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. Speaking of TikTok, I currently have a giveaway going up over there. It's the pinned video on my profile, so if you're interested in entering a giveaway, you can head over there. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!
I think that my Christmas has died.